2017, we intend to be bigger, bolder, and better within the next 10 years. So this new office symbolizes the dream and the vision of the company to expand in more countries, to innovate here in the Philippines, to create more products and investment opportunities in the nearest and near future for the benefit of all the distributors here in the Philippines and outside this country. God bless each and every one of us, and we will continue to promote the products and the business that we have here and outside the Philippines. God bless. Happy New Year.
Grabe, kakatapos lang po ng renovation ng third floor at sobrang pong laki. Kumbaga sabi ko, nabibira kami kanina, Carlo, parang nasa airport. Sobrang ganda po ng lugar na to kasi ibig sabihin, lalong dadami po pong pigin at marami pong mag-join dito. Kaya sa mga hindi po member, sumali na kayo. Sa mga member na hindi po makatap, bumataw na kayo kasi lalong lalakas pong in-global. Kaya sabayin nyo na lang kami.
Kung gusto mong makuha ng mabilis ang iyong pangarap, dito ka na. Kawin mo na yung global.